Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share my experience of interview for client financial management analyst profile at Accenture. In this video, I will be covering three things. What are the interview rounds? What was asked in the interview? And what will be the role of CFM? So basically, there are five stages and which consist of two technical rounds, that is the skill interview and the final interview. These are the technical rounds and one HR round. And after these three, you will be asked to submit some of the documents such as your mark sheets and some Aadhaar card. And after this stage, they will give you an offer letter. In my case, they have taken around 15 days to offer me a role, and the entire process may take up to 25 days also. These were the questions that have been asked to me during my technical rounds. There was a common question which have been asked to me in both the rounds. This third one, suppose a contract has been partially completed and we haven't received the money, then what journal entry would be made to recognize revenue? This was the question which has been asked to me in first round, and this was a question have been asked to me in final interview also, but in a somewhat another way. But the answer was same because the question remains the same. You can take a screenshot of this to go through the each and every question. This is the official job description of the profile that is provided by the Accenture. If you want to go through it, you can take a screenshot and go after this video. This is my understanding about the role. My understanding is clearly based upon the reviews that I have get from some of the connections who are already working as CFM as CFM with Accenture. There will be a contract between the Accenture and the XYZ entity. And just like we have an engagement letter for audit between our audit firm and some XYZ client. So this contract will include what work Accenture will provide to the client, that's some IT related services or some other services, and what will be the allocation of resources. By allocation of resources, I mean to say that the number of hours of a technical persons means some software engineer or mechanic or software engineer or some non-engineer person, hours of that person, and the rate of means per hour rate of that person, of that such technical person. Okay. On the basis of such information about resources to be assigned to that client, a forecast about the revenue from that entity will be provided to the CFN departments. Means there will be a lead team, there is separate lead team who will provide us the number of hours of the technical person that are going to devote on that specific contract of XYZ entity. So that specific client, and CFM will raise the invoice at the end of that specific period. For example, if the forecasting is made for a month, then at the end of the month we will raise an actual, then the CFM person will raise an invoice to XYZ entity on the basis of actual hours, and would also analyze the reason for variation between the forecast and the actual estimate. Because lead team has, at the beginning of the month, lead team may have provided a different numbers of hours, and on the basis of such hours we may have forecasted a revenue for Accenture, but at the end of the month our revenue may differ from the estimated revenue. This may be on account of several reasons. Their reasons may be difference in number of hours, difference in rate that we have taken as per the contract, or some other factors. Then we need to analyze the differences, why such a difference has occurred between a forecast and the actual revenue. Yeah, and I want to make it clear that don't consider that you will be doing some financial modeling, you will be forecasting some future revenues, yeah, of some 5 years down the line revenues or some 10 year down the revenue on. You will be valuing some certain external client that by some cash flow model, or no, this profile does not include such kind of more financial modeling work. So instead, your focus would be handling focus on finance. You will be more focused on financial of Accenture, and that too on only on revenue part and on margin part only. Means there is no such financial modeling, but your role is much more focused on the revenue and margin of Accenture only. And further, in this role, you are also responsible for raising of invoice as well as credit note. This is my disclaimer. You can go through it. Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video, and if it helped you in any way, please like my video.